We're going to go to the itching post and itch our backs. We do this every morning, every day, every day, every day. Yes, every day we have to itch our back. Every day. Yeah. Back and forth. Back and forth. Yeah, we do it every day. Is that it? Now it's good, huh? Yeah. Yeah, now she's good. Oh, maybe she's got to do a little bit more. One more time. Oh, itch it, itch it, itch it. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to look for a spot. And then we're going to do our pee. Oh, we're going to start with the poop. Okay, good morning, girl.